Welcome to today's video. We're about to witness the process of clearing out a house that has been abandoned for many years. Overgrown weeds have taken over, almost blending the house into nature. It's fascinating to see how the person starts by cutting down large patches of grass, removing the wild plants, and gradually revealing the hidden structure beneath. This isn't just about cleaning up the surroundings, but also about restoring the memories of a place that once had life. We'll now see these two guys using a lawnmower to tackle the overgrown grass on the side of the house. The mower is working efficiently, but the real challenge comes from the thick layer of grass and deeply rooted bushes. With each pass, the house's surroundings slowly open up, giving a sense of reviving the once abandoned space. After finishing with the lawnmower, these two guys start gathering the cut grass into one pile. Large heaps of grass are collected, highlighting the amount of work they've accomplished. They not only carefully gather the grass, but also prepare for the next step in cleaning up the entire area. Seeing those big piles of grass gives a clear sense of the transformation before and after the clearing. After gathering the grass, the two guys begin to haul it away. They carry large piles of grass to the disposal area, making the house surroundings feel tidier and cleaner. With each load taken away, they're one step closer to fully restoring this space, and the house now looks much more open compared to when they started. Next, they use a leaf blower to clean away the scattered debris and dirt from the ground. The bits of rubbish and dirt are blown away, leaving the walkway around the house neat and tidy. Watching them handle even these small details shows their meticulousness and determination to restore the once abandoned area to a fresh, renewed state. For the stubborn patches of dirt, they use hoes and shovels to scrape it up. These tools allow them to remove the tough dirt that's stuck to the ground. This task requires not only effort, but also patience to thoroughly clean the area. Each patch of dirt they scrape off reveals a cleaner surface, highlighting the significant transformation of the house. After finishing with the side, they continue the same process at the front of the house. This time, the area is larger and more overgrown with weeds. The steps of mowing, gathering debris, and cleaning are carried out methodically and thoroughly, giving the house a refreshed look. Seeing the front of the house after the cleanup, you can clearly sense the revival of this space. After cleaning the entire exterior, they move on to the yard inside the house. The inner yard is also covered in weeds and debris, but with their experience and patience, they begin mowing and tidying up gradually. Each small corner of the yard gets cleaned, leaving behind a more open space and revealing the hidden charm of the area. Inside, there are more trees, so they have to use a chainsaw. The large trees and overgrown branches create obstacles, making the cleanup job more challenging. With the chainsaw, they quickly remove these barriers, opening up the space and letting more light into the yard. Their decisive actions not only help clean up, but also give this area a completely new appearance. Next, they use a handheld lawnmower to trim the grass in the yard of the house. With the flexibility of the handheld mower, they can easily access tight spots and corners that a larger mower can't reach. This action helps eliminate the weeds and gives the yard a tidy appearance, making the space more inviting and ready for future outdoor activities. So, after a dedicated cleanup journey, the house has been completely free from weeds and debris. The noticeable changes have brought new life to this once forgotten space. Thank you for joining us in today's video. We hope these images and this process have inspired you to create cleaner, more beautiful spaces in your own life. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss out on our upcoming exciting videos. See you in our next adventures.